There you go. I know that was a little deeper there, huh?
Oh, yes, sir. Got my hips.
Oh, yeah. Second one's always deeper.
Wow.
A lot of movement through there. I felt the neck move like real good.
Whew. Took more of my breath than what I thought, but not bad. Oh, goodness.
That's because we probably got a lot more of that thoracic cage opened
Goodness.
up. There's nothing like it.
Oh, my goodness. Feels great, but I'm like, wow, that one was a little more intense.
Yeah. As I said, second one is usually a little deeper. Hits a little harder.